Okay? So Talha radiallahu anhu says, قَدِمَ حُذَيْفَةُ الْمَدَائِنَ عَلَى حِمَارٍ. Hudayfa radiallahu anhu came in on a donkey. سَادِلًا رِجْلَيْهِ. The donkey was so small, his legs were hanging off of the donkey. And he says, وَبِيَدِهِ عَرْقٌ وَرَغِيفٌ. Now, عَرْقٌ here, وَرَغِيفٌ, would basically mean he had a loaf of bread and some condiment for the loaf of bread. Like he's got a bag of his lunch for the day, and he's also wearing clothes that are patched. This is a very unfamiliar sight to them. Like, what in the world is happening here? And this shows you, by the way, subhanAllah, it's like when Umar radiallahu anhu entered into Jerusalem. Who are you people? Why are you not like pompous, right? What's going on here? So Hudayfa radiallahu anhu had patches on his clothes. He had his donkey. His legs are hanging off the sides. He's got his lunch for the day, which is some bread and some vinegar or something like that. And they're looking at him like, you're the new governor of Madain. You're assuming the area of Kisra. So Hudayfa radiallahu anhu said yes. So they said, okay, what's your ahd from Amir al-Mu'mineen? What's the covenant that came to you from the commander of the believers? So Hudayfa radiallahu ta'ala anhu reads to them the ahd, the note from Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu. So they say to him, and obviously they want to get on his good side because these people are used to oppressive rulers. So they don't want to get on the bad side of the new governor. So they say to him, Sal ma shi't, ask us anything you want. Because the end of Umar radiallahu anhu's letter with Hudayfa was, give him whatever he asks you. So they said, Sal ma shi't. So he said, to be honest with you, طَعَامًا آكُلُهُ وَعَلَفَ حِمَارِ هَذَا. He said, I just want some food for myself and some fodder for my donkey. He said, that's it? He said, that's it. The only thing I ask of you is that I can survive, I can eat amongst you, and my donkey can survive as well. And he didn't have any camels or any horses with him. And they were shocked. Now, so Hudayfa radiallahu anhu stays with them for some time with his donkey, and he is the governor of Madain for a short time. And then Umar radiallahu anhu sends a letter and tells him, come back to Medina, I want to see you. So it's as if Umar radiallahu anhu was testing him. So when he comes back to Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Umar radiallahu anhu went on the outskirts of Medina waiting in anticipation to see Hudayfa, right? So he's kind of like ala tariq, he's waiting for him, looking for him. So when Hudayfa radiallahu ta'ala anhu comes, لما رآه على الحال التي خرج عليها أتاه فالتزمه وقال أنت أخي وأنا أخوك. When Umar radiallahu anhu saw him come back in the same clothes and on the same donkey, he hugged Hudayfa and he said, you're my brother and I'm your brother. Anta akhi wa ana akhuk. Like, I love this man. SubhanAllah, he just went to the treasure trove of the Persian Empire, and he came back in the same clothes and on the same donkey.